LTASE. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects have toilet humor and some sound effects are play. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. 2, 4, 6, 8, let's get going.
Some sound effects can be tested, just like we had.
Some sound effects can be previewed, short and medium sounds only.
But don't preview sound effects that are longer.
Some sound effects can be really short, like Raya's burping sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, which is Gadget Heat's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. LTASE, let's talk about sound effects.